Shut up.
Motherfucking Petersburg. Tell you what.
So we're going to Petersburg, Nebraska. So we got 2 vehicles. 77 Thunderbird and I guess an 80 Corvette. Want some work done. We went to Husker Harvest Days and met the guys, so we're going to run up there and take a quick look.
Anything you want, anything the world has to offer, I can give you. If you just reach out to me, take my hand. Everything a kiss cannot bring, I will give you.
Move over, two handsome men. God, I never get a sandwich. This is how it comes.
If you just say you will.
So this is where you grew up?
Well, we were little.
What age did you move?
9 and 10 years old. Had a farm, small farm place just down the road down there.
And it's spring.
That's nice.
Mother, tell your children not to walk my way. Tell your children not to hear my words, what they mean, what they say. Mother, Mother, can you keep them in the dark for a while? Can you hide them from the wedding world? Oh, Mother, Father, gonna take your daughter out tonight. Gonna show her my world. Oh, Father, not about to see your light. And if you wanna find hell with me, I can show you what it's like. Gotta bleed, not about to see your light. And if you wanna find hell with me, I can show you what it's. Mother, tell your children not to hold my hand. Tell your children not to understand. Oh, Mother, Father, do you wanna bang heads with me? Do you wanna build everything? Oh, Mother, Lord, I'm about to see your light. And if you wanna find hell with me, I can show you what it's like. Till I'm bleeding, I'm about to see your light. And if you wanna find hell with me, I can show you what it is. Damn! Not about to see your light. But if you wanna find hell with me, I can show you what it's like. Till you're bleeding, not about to see your light. And if you wanna find hell with me, I can show you what it's like.
We used to have all of the plank background equipment. Big old huge slide.
Big
Launch
metal
out.
one?
Yep, the big metal one.
So this is downtown?
This is downtown.
Golly. People travel to come to these 5 buildings.
The 5 buildings. Yep. Swiss and mushroom burger fries.
Just do 2 orders of that.
All right, put that in. You're welcome.
Let's see what we got running around. Made it back from Petersburg, looked at a Thunderbird and a Corvette, and hopefully we'll see him here soon.
Beautiful. Thank you. Take care.